me, mama, mama, ho-hee-ha-ho, ho-hee-ha-hee, ho-hee-ha-ha,
Charles? Charles?
What?
We're live. People are watching us from the other side.
Oh, hey. Well, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Charles B. Stanley. I'm your host, Charles B. Stanley, as always, and Happy New Year's, everyone. Happy New Year's. It's January Uno 2018. And boy, have I got something special for you on this special live broadcast. Did I mention it's live, Carl?
Yes.
Yes, I did. What am I gonna make for you today? It is none other than my own very special and secret, not really so secret, but special Charles B. Stanley chocolate cake. Now, what's the difference between a regular chocolate cake and a Charles B. Stanley chocolate cake? Stick around to find out. Now, the ingredients. We start with the wet ones. Milk. These sugar pearls. Special icing, I'm using blue. Hershey's milk chocolate frosting. Butter. The all-time secret ingredient. Organic hazelnut extract. Don't tell anyone. A mixing butter knife spatula thing. Cocoa powder. Baking powder. You can't do a cake without flour. Sugar. Boy, it's a lot. And salt. Salt. Where's the salt?
I mixed it in with the sugar.
You mean to tell me you put half a cup of sugar in here?
I think there might be more salt in there than sugar.
Why?
It looks the same. I don't know.
Okay, that's horrible. But you know what? I'm not even gonna use that much, so you should be still able to make a good cake. It's half a cup of sugar. No, sorry, 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of salt. Not a big difference.
No, it's more like 1.5 cups of salt.
Use this amount, okay? Now, we mix the dry ingredients together. First, we start off with the flour. It is the base and the most important ingredient. Use about half the bag. That should be about a cup, maybe a cup and a half. I don't care. They'll measure it out for me. Next, baking powder. This is about a tablespoon, maybe a little more. Again, I don't care. Then it is the cocoa powder. Ooh, rich. You add it in there, like so. Bam! We are in business. Next, we add the horrendous sugar-salt mixture that Carl did for us. Yeah. All right. Now, since I used maybe less than half of it in there, it's time to mix it. I'm going to send this into a portal, a mystic portal of mixtitude, where it will be mixed in the portal of mixtitude. Mix, slave girl, mix!
I'm trying!
Faster! Don't mind her. Now, as she's mixing, let's. I don't even know what this is. Carl, I don't know what this is, but it's funny. Like, I'm barely leaning on it.
Okay, you were talking about yourself?
Oh, yeah. Let's talk about my accomplishments for this new year. Now, what am I gonna do first? I have a little list, okay? Nothing special. Asian, Carl, okay? Shut up, okay? Anyways, our dry ingredients should be done. Pass it over, slave girl. All right. Now, it should look like this. All your dry ingredients should have this consistency on it. Now, the next thing you need to do is add the wet ingredients. We start by a cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you want. Dump that in there and slowly start mixing these ingredients together. You want to slowly mix everything together before you add the other wet ingredients. Then you add the secret ingredient known as organic hazelnut extract. Now, just a few drops of this will do. Okay. That should be enough. And now, I almost forgot the eggs. Where are my eggs, Carl? Where are they?
Remember that omelet you ate this morning?
Oh yeah, how could I forget?
Those are the last eggs that we had.
You're kidding, right?
No.
What am I gonna use as the texture maker?
I don't know, we're cheap.
What eggs am I gonna use?
Use something else, I don't know.
What? Like what?
How about that sunflower oil?
You're a genius, Carl. It just might work. Since we're improvising, we're gonna use about a cup of sunflower oil. I really hope this tastes good at this point. Dump this bad boy in here. Close the lid. And mix. Mix. Don't be afraid to add more oil if necessary. Oops. And continue to mix. Until... Carl, distract me. You're not distracting me, Carl.
You like PlayStation?
No.
Like Pokemon?
No. Is that all you got, Carl? Come on.
We never talk.
I don't care if we ever talk. Anyway, whatever. Carl, you're a failure. Okay, come over here. Bring it over here. Look at that beautiful, beautiful texture. Now, all the ingredients are mixed in. Everything's set. Now we bring this bad boy and pop it in the oven for about 250 degrees for 45 minutes.
I thought you were supposed to put that in the pan.
Good thinking, Carl. We take this out of the oven and move on to the pan that I totally forgot. Now, use the butter. Butter up this pan. Butter really, really good. Make sure you get the edges too. You don't want this cake sticking onto the pan. Okay. After it's buttered up, throw the ingredients in, like so. What do you want, Carl?
Sorry, I just coughed.
All right, most of that cake is in. Now, you spread it around the pan and you pop it in the oven. 250 for 400, no, sorry, 45 minutes. What am I thinking? Now, we know you people are hungry. We know you love dessert. And most of all, we know you love me. But every show has its ending. And since we couldn't make you wait 45 minutes, I thought of something special. I already made the cake for you. What's left to do is to decorate this bad boy. I give you, ladies and gentlemen, the Charles B. Stanley chocolate fudge cake. It's beautiful. Now, let's decorate this bad boy. First things first, you need to put frosting on it. I'm using Hershey's milk chocolates, as you've seen. Don't be afraid to go overboard with the frosting. You can use as much as you like. Spread it around, spread it around, spread it around, spread it around. Yeah. You know what? Let's just play it safe and dump the entire thing on. Okay? Yeah. This is a little messy, Carl. Yeah. It's not wanting to come out.
I think you got a little bit on the table.
Yeah, I see that, Carl. Oh, great, this cake's falling apart. But that's what makes cooking fun, you guys. They're not mistakes, you know. As the great legendary Bob Ross once said, these aren't mistakes. They're just happy little accidents. That's right. Okay. Now, 90% of this frosting is on this cake. And we do is smother it around. Smother it around. Smother it around. Around on the outside. Around the outside. Around the outside. Smother it, smother it, smother it. And we can stop. And now it's time to put the decorations on it. Okay. Slave girl, open the bead. Slave girl, open that. Oh boy. Carl, look what I did. Now, what you want to do with these sugar balls is just get the right amount in there, right? You don't want
unhealthy.
You don't want to overspill this, okay? I may have had it too much, but you know what? It's fine. Spread these things around, spread these things around. Yeah, buddy. My hands are clean, people, don't worry. Spread these things around. All right. Now, the frosting. Time to write the famous Happy New Year's. It's not coming out. This is awkward.
Oh, nice.
A knife. Oh, yes, Carl, a knife. Good work. Good work, boy.
You are so unprepared.
Yes, I know. Ooh. Oh boy. You know what? Oh, that smells so good. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna do it the redneck, no try-way. New. Oh crap. Well, this is embarrassing. You know what? Let's just pour this blue frosting over and make it a spiral, like so. You guys could just write Happy New Year's on your own cake, okay? This is gonna be a special cake from me to you. Isn't it special, Carl?
Yeah. It looks like a Smurf.
What?
Papa Smurf.
Oh, Papa Smurf. You're funny. Look how much effort I'm putting into this, Carl. Look how much effort.
It looks unhealthy.
I know it's like step 1 to diabetes. But anyways, we just mash up this blue frosting over here, mash it up, and I give you the Charles B. Stanley cake. What's so funny, Carl? Now I have one last step to do, okay, Carl? Look away. Look away. What are you doing, Carl? I said look away. Oh, that's right, we need to bring it out to the people. You know what? Wait, it's still gonna taste good. We're bringing it out to you right now. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Carl, get the door. This is gonna be so good, you guys. This is gonna be, I can't wait for you guys to try this cake.
we're gonna try that beautiful cake of yours.
This had so much potential, Carl.
You guys want to try some cake? It's on the floor over here.
It's in cake heaven now.
Yourselves.
It's in cake heaven now. Don't worry. We'll make another one next year.
Join us on another episode of Cooking with Charles B. Stanley. Happy New Year's, you guys.